Hey guys, Chad from Donnelly Ford here. Today I'm here to talk to you about small trucks. Recently they've been on the upswing because of their multiple uses, great gas mileage, and great price. If you're a customer that's been looking for one, you know they are hard to come by, especially the Ford Maverick. Two great alternatives would be the Hyundai Santa Cruz. We have 23 and a 22. So cars nowadays have pretty much every option you could ever imagine, including the Santa Cruzes. It has cool seats, heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad, a front and 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane turning assist, and a moonroof. Now I know that there's concern in these kind of vehicles is the legroom in the back. So visit me in the back real quick. So guys, as you can see, plenty of legroom, plenty of shoulder room. It's going to be plenty of room for adults. Also has the back window opening, and you have cup holders right here in the door for you. How awesome is that? So the appeal of having a small pickup truck is the ability to still tow and haul things. So as you can see, this still comes with a hitch receiver. Has a great sized bed with a locking tonneau cover. And it has the ability to extend the bed length even longer for those extra long items you might have. So if these trucks appeal to you, go ahead and contact me today and let's see what we can get going for you.